these are the elevators at. This looks to be the Vancouver Center Apartments in downtown Vancouver, Washington. The reason all the doors are closed is because the fire alarms in this place just went off. This just happened. It's down here. Let's ring the bell. That was nice. Elevator number 4, capacity 3,500. Certificate. I think these are Dover or ThyssenDover, I'm not sure. Switch down it. Get a cab view. Just your basic cabs. These have padding. Try to make this quick because we got cameras in here and I don't want to get thrown out because they're really not supposed to be in here, but. Try to ride this one. That sounds like a Dover bell, so these are probably Dovers. This is the, wow. It's elevator 3. This one's smaller. It's got a capacity of 2,500. These are closed up here. ThyssenDover. These are ThyssenDovers. Really shouldn't be on these, but rings down here. Yep, ThyssenDover interlock. Watch the belt go out this time. Custom impulse fixtures.
Yeah, that's been going on for 3 days.
And that's either still going off. Okay, we're back at this apartment complex where the fire alarms went off earlier. And look, they're strobing now. I have a feeling they're silenced. Yeah, they're strobing. Notifier panel. Wow, that's a fail.